Prisoners with absolutely nothing. No gym, no weights, no equipment. Yet they've built bodies that most gym guys will never reach. So what exactly are they doing in there? I found out, and it completely replaced my entire workout. 3 exercises: upper body, lower body, and core. All done in under 35 minutes a week. Let's go! Charles Bronson, no, not the actor, Britain's most notorious prisoner. Over 50 years in and out of solitary confinement. He broke multiple strength records in a tiny, cramped cell. And he invented one move that can replace your entire upper body day. Hands flat on the floor, feet on the wall, body fully upside down. Slowly lower your head toward the floor. Push back up. That's it. Start on the wall. Trust me, skip the wall and you'll get hurt. Like I did. A normal shoulder press pushes from below. This pushes from the top, upside down. That subtle difference hits the top of your shoulders, front delts, and triceps in a way no press machine ever can. And your core? It's firing the entire time. Every single rep. 3 times a week. 4 sets. 5 to 10 reps. As it gets easier, walk your feet lower down the wall. One day, you won't need the wall at all. Even in prison, Mike Tyson never stopped training his legs. And he didn't use a squat rack. He used a deck of cards. Here's how it works. Take 10 playing cards, lay them in a line, small gap between each one. Squat down, pick up card 1, place it on card 2, stand up. That's 1 squat. Squat down, grab card 3, stack it, stand up. That's 2 squats. Keep adding cards. Keep squatting. Sounds easy? It's not. Halfway through, your legs will be shaking. Don't stop. Here's why this works better than a normal set. When you know the number, 20 reps, 30 reps, that number makes you quit. The cards remove the number completely. You're only focused on the next card. By the end, you've done 100 squats without even noticing. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, inner thighs, calves. Your entire leg day. One move under 15 minutes. 2 to 3 times a week. Start with 10 cards. When it gets easy, go to 15. That's 225 squats. When Cosmart went to prison, a doctor told him, "Your blood pressure and cholesterol are so bad, you'll likely have a fatal heart attack within 5 years. That scared him enough to change everything. Running when he could. Inventing exercises in a tiny cell when he couldn't. One of those exercises was called Hello Dolly. I know how that sounds. Just trust me. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back. Keep your legs together. Slide your hands under your tailbone. Palms facing down. Lift your feet a few inches off the floor. About 45 degrees. Head back. Chin slightly tucked. Open your legs out to the sides, bring them back in, back and forth, like scissors. That's 1 rep. Go for 30. You'll feel it way before you reach 30. Here's why this is actually different from every core exercise you've ever done. Every other move, crunches, leg raises, machines, something is supporting you. The floor helps you. The bench helps you. Dolly has nothing. If you lose focus, even for a second, you tip sideways. Just over. So your six-pack fires, your obliques fire, your deep core fires, your lower back fires. All of it, constantly, just to keep you stable. And when your legs open, hip flexors, inner thighs, quads, they all join in at the same time. No gym machine does this. No crunch variation does this, because Dolly has no support, and that's exactly why it works. 3 times a week, 4 sets of 30 reps. Takes less than 10 minutes. And if it starts feeling easy, here's a little trick. Pause for 1 second when your legs are open. Same reps, double the pain. Okay, 3 exercises, full body. Let me give you the simple plan. Monday, Bronson Handstand Push-Ups, as much as you can do in 10 minutes. That's it. Wednesday, Mike Tyson Card Squats. Start with 10 cards, move to 15 when it gets easy. Friday, Hello Dolly. Under 10 minutes. Upper body, lower body, core, done. And honestly, if you can do each one twice a week, you'll build muscle even faster. But even once a week of each, you'll feel the difference. No gym, no weights, no excuses. Thanks for watching.